Jim from AbleNet, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with the Quick Ready mounting plate for assistive technology. To get started, begin by attaching the mounting arm to the table, wheelchair, or other surface you will be mounting the device to. Next, attach the threaded bolt on the mounting plate to the end of the mounting arm. With the Quick Ready mounting plate in place, you will need to attach your device to the mounting plate. Begin by attaching the dual lock to the mounting plate. Use 3 pieces for the best hold. Remove the backing from the dual lock. Then press the device onto the mounting plate. Your Quick Ready mounting plate is ready to use. For more great resources and ideas on how to use your AbleNet technology, go to www.ablenetinc.com and click on the Help link at the top of the page.